If you want to give your website the aspect of a blog, so you will need to create posts on your website. Or if you are learning WordPress for blogging, then your main focus will be on creating posts. In your WordPress dashboard, you will see the post option here, and under post, you can check all your posts from here. You can create a new post, you can create categories and tags. We will discuss in the next lecture how to create categories and tags, but in this lecture I will show you how you can create a post. So creating a post is almost the same as creating a page on WordPress. So for creating a post, you will click on Add New. Now the first thing you need to do is to write a title for your post. So for demonstration, I will write here something like how to stay focused while studying. So I will write here how to stay focused while studying. Now here we will start writing the content for this post. But I will give you a suggestion to write your content in Microsoft Word and then copy and paste it here. For the demonstration, I have created this dummy post in Microsoft Word. So I will change the heading to heading 1. So I will select the text, and then from here I will select heading 1. Now I will select the text of this paragraph, and if you want, you can change the size of the text. Then I will scroll down and I will select all these lines and I will make it bullet, and I will change this heading to heading 2, and also I will change this heading to heading 3. Now I will select all this text with Ctrl A, and with Ctrl C I will copy it from here, and with Ctrl V I will paste it here. Now I will scroll to the top. Now here if you want to do any customization, so you can do that as well. For example, if you want to change this heading, so you will click on this, and then from here you can change it to paragraph, you can change it to list, quote, full quote, columns and groups. And on the right side you will see the preview. Like here on the right side of the cursor you can see the preview. If you want to change this heading to heading 2, so you can do that from here. Heading 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, if we click in the paragraph, so you can also customize this paragraph. Just click here, and then let's say we want to change it to quote, so I will click on quote. Now write here a caption, so I will write here for demonstration something like Warren Buffett. Now we will scroll down, and suppose you want to change these bullets to numbers, so you will click here, and then from here you can change it to numbers. Similarly, if you want to add an image, so you will click here, then you will press enter. You will press enter again. Now if you want to add an image here, so you will click on the plus icon, and then you can click on the image to upload an image. Now the next thing is, if you click here on post, and if we scroll down a little, so here you can see the permalink for this post. But if you see, we cannot edit this permalink. Like if you remember when we were creating pages, so we were allowed to edit the page URL. But here we cannot edit this URL because we need to do some changes in our WordPress dashboard. So after publishing this post, we will do that setting, and then I will show you how you can edit the URL of your post. As I said, we will discuss categories and tags in the next lecture. So right now we do not have any categories and tags on our website. So in the next lecture we will create categories and tags, and then I will show you how you can add your post to different categories and how you can tag them. If you want to add a picture image for your this post, so you can upload an image from here. The picture image will appear as a thumbnail for your this post. So I will click here on set picture image. Then you can upload a file from your computer, but I will use this picture from my media library, so I will click on this. Then I will click on set as picture image. Now our this post is almost created, So I will click on the publish button to publish this post on our website. I will click on publish again. Now this post is published and we can view our post from here, or we can copy the link of this post and we can open it in a new tab. So I will click on view post to view this post. So this is the post which we just created. Now, as I said, we will change the permalink settings. So we will go to our WordPress dashboard, and here under settings, you will see the permalinks option. So click on this and scroll down a little. And here select the radio button for post name. Then scroll down and click on save changes. Now if you go to post, and here we will click on all posts. So this is the post which we just created. Now I will click on edit to edit this post. Now here on the right side you can see the permalink setting is changed. Now you can edit the URL of this post. This is an important setting to do because when you will be doing SEO of your website, so you will need to enter keywords in the URL of your post. So if your post URL is editable, so you can easily enter keywords in the URL. In the next lecture, we will discuss categories and tags.